Ready to ditch the paper and make collecting signatures a breeze with Docusign, especially when you need to send the same form to lots of people. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, click on New button. It is usually found on the upper left of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Upload and choose the document you want to make signable from your computer. This could be a contract, application, or any document needing signatures. Once your document is uploaded, you'll see it appear in the Docusign window. Now for the magic, adding the fillable fields on the left-hand panel. You will see all the recipient names. Make sure the correct recipient is selected before you start to add fields. Drag and drop the fields you need, such as signature, date, sign, name, email, or text boxes, onto the appropriate spots on your document. Resize and position them as needed. Assign each field to the correct recipient using the drop-down menu within the field's properties. This ensures the right person fills out the right information. Once you've added all the necessary fields and assigned them to the correct recipients, click the Send button in the top right corner. Now the document is out for signature. Docusign will guide each recipient through the signing process, and you'll be notified when everyone has completed their part.